Oh yeah, okay. I think this is a catfish. Because this bad boy, oh baby, that's a big bass. That's a big damn bass. Y'all, that's a big bass. All right, I was sitting here by the bank, and all I was doing was just waiting on the sunrise to come up. Figured I'd throw a couple test casts. I'm trying my best to get into bait casting. Have a love-hate relationship, basically a hate-hate relationship with bait casting. So I'm just doing a few practice throws, and I just landed a 2-pounder. So that's a good sign so far, boys. So let's keep going. Oh, early morning, baby. Early morning. He slammed that thing too. Early morning. Sun hadn't even rose yet. Probably 2 pounds, pound and some change. Just quietly hit it at the bottom. Let's get another one. What is up, everybody? Welcome to another show of P.O. Box Lake. My name's Matt. I'm here on the lake, and yeah, you know, we're gonna have a good show for you today. We're gonna have a really good show. Just hang in there. I started at 5 a.m. and it is about 9 a.m. July 2022, and oh my goodness, we have got one hell of a show for you. So sit back and relax and enjoy some good bass fishing. Spit City, folks. Spit City. Let's get him again, boys. That was a decent sized bass. Let's go back and get him again. Thanks, GoPro, for working this time, you piece. Okay, in true GoPro plus fishing style, I caught one, looked down, and the GoPro had froze up. It was about a I don't know, just a little under 2 pound bass, and he shook it right at the boat. So they're hitting that Texas rig today. But in true GoPro style, the GoPro froze up while I was catching the fish. So you'll just have to trust me on that one. And you know, I try to be a somewhat trustworthy guy. Let me talk about bait casting. I've hated bait casting for years and years. I've tried it. I have rat's nested about a gazillion times. I've always said that bait casters were invented by the fishing line companies for to generate more sales, because good God, I have rat nested a million times on a bait caster. And I'm not saying it's the bait caster's fault. It's clearly user error. But I just never took the time to learn. I'm loving this left-handed bait caster. Now, I am right-handed. I've had right-handed bait casters, and you hold it with your left hand, and you spin it with your right hand. and it just was not natural to the spinning reel that I use. And so I just on a whim got a left-handed bait caster, and it's the same hand that I cast with spinning reel, same hand that I cast with, that I reel with on a spinning reel. I love it. I freaking love it. The balance of being able to do this has already caught 2 bass today. I'm digging it. Now, once I rat's nest again, I'll probably throw it in the lake. But right now, I'm freaking loving this, boys. So I'm right-handed. If you're having problems with bait casting, try a left-handed bait casting reel. This is made by Cast King, cheap on Amazon. I never buy anything expensive. H2O Express rod, 20 bucks on clearance at Academy. I'm just a firm believer. I just can't believe that $200 rod and reels make any difference. I get it, man. If you do this for a living, it's kind of like cry now or cry later kind of thing. I understand. I've literally lost rod and reels over the edge of a kayak. So $200 over the edge of a kayak is it's time to go to a bar, cry my tears away. But 20 bucks, okay, I can move on. Got another one, y'all. Got another one. Throw our bass back in here. He's I don't know, about a half-pounder, but he still fought like a champ. Did some jumps. Go back and get big, baby. And if you can't tell by this video, I am now a big time bait cast believer, y'all. Bait cast believer. I will go take my shoe off and eat it, but let's get back at it. Thanks, little girl. All right. Oh, what the hell is that? Oh my God, that's somebody else's hook. And some kind of bloated zombie Cinco. Wow, so I got somebody else's hook. And somebody's mammoth Cinco. This is you. This is the guy she said's just a friend. All right, y'all. At least I got it back. Let's keep fishing. All right, y'all. I think this yum dinger has just about dinged its last yum. We're holding together here with just all we can do, because we're about to give this up. We're about to end for the day. It's going to get too hot, so we're going to keep at it. This thing's been the grand champion today, so let's keep at it, boys. There we go, and we're pulling drag. And we're pulling drag. Here she comes. She's going to jump. Oh, man. This guy won't. Coming towards the boat now. Oh, yeah. Oh yeah, okay. I think this is a catfish, because this bad boy, oh baby, that's a big bass. That's a big damn bass, y'all. That's a big bass. That's a big freaking bass. That's a chunk right there. Oh my God. Guys, this is a chunk. This is a big chunk. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Y'all, this is a big girl. This is oh my God. Big bass. Big old bass. Oh yeah. Oh no. Okay. She's pissed. She's pissed. She is pissed, y'all. She's pissed. Okay. Act like I know what I'm doing until I catch a fish like this. Then I'm like totally new to fishing. Oh man. Good bass. Good bass, y'all. Look at that. Oh, what a toad. Y'all, that's a chunk. That's a big old girl right there. I thought it was a catfish. Oh my goodness. Y'all, that's a big mama. Y'all, I'm a bait cast believer now. Look at this. Y'all, look at this. This is a big fish. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. This guy. Look at the gullet on this boy. Y'all, this is a big fish. Look at that belly. This joker has been eating bluegill like Golden Corral buffet. This is a beautiful fish. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. Oh wow, y'all. Y'all, I can't even hold this fish. It's so big. This is a big mamma jamma. Boys, this girl's been eating good. Look at that gullet, y'all. Look at that. Oh, oh man, big spotted bass. Big spotted bass. Summertime fishing. That's where it's at, baby. 5 pounds. 5 pound bass right here, baby. Let's get her back in the water. Let's get her back in the water. That's what I'm talking about right there. Five pounder. 5 pounder. P.O. Box Lake, baby. Let's do this. Oh, and she took off. Y'all, I thought that was a catfish because that bass would not come off the bottom. That's what we're talking about. That's why we're out here, baby. 5 pound bass here in the creek channel, Jurassic Creek channel. Oh my goodness. I don't even know what I'm saying, man. I'm so elated. That was a beast, baby. Let's do this. Oh, this one's pulling too. This one's pulling too, boys. Ah, this one's pulling too. Big fish. Big old big fish going under the boat. Going under the boat. Big fish. Big fish, y'all. Ah. Oh God. Big fish. Oh boy. Whatever this is pissed. Okay, this guy's pissed. I'm gonna let him tire out. I don't know what he is, but he's mad. I see him. It's a big fish, y'all. Ah. God. God. Y'all, this is a big fish. Big catfish. Oh, big catfish. Big catfish. Oh my goodness. Big old catfish. Big channel cat. Hit this thing. Yeah, he's mad. Got him. Y'all, he's mad. Okay. He is clamping down really hard on me. He is biting the living snot out of me right now, boys. Okay. He is biting the crap out of me. Ah. Well, he is. He's clamping down. Oh, okay. He's a big one. Boy, he's clamping. There we go. Look at that, boys. Big old catfish. Oh, you would be good on somebody's dinner plate today. He's probably, God, I don't know, he's almost 2 feet long. So he's mad. Big channel catfish, y'all. Hit him. Bait caster. Let's let him go. Y'all see this fish? Oh God, he's finned me. He's finned me so many times. That's great. He's mad. All right, y'all. There he is. He's going. There he goes. Well, everybody, I guess I need to go take my shoes off when I get to shore and eat them, because I have talked smack about bait casters forever. And I don't know if it was because the fishing was good today or just my luck. It's probably luck, but caught a lot of fish using a bait casting rod and reel. I could not be happier with that 7-foot rod. That 7-foot rod seems to have a maximum hookup power when you draw down on them, and the bait caster is just, you just got to know how to use it. I mean, like anything, you can't just pick one up and be a master at it. Yeah, I had 4 or 5 rat's nests today, but they were minor, and I just picked them out and I made them work. But bait casters, in my opinion, they cast further, they're more precise, you can have more control over them, and they just plain work. Now, all it takes is one slip up and you forget to put that thumb on the spool, and you have a miscast where you cast downward, you're gonna have a rat's nest. That's what I did when I had a miscast and I just forgot to put my thumb on it. Yeah, it happens, but all in all, it still worked. I just picked through it. It wasn't like massive or anything. I really do like them. I really do like bait casters. Great success today using a Texas rig Yum Dinger, $2.95 at Walmart. Maybe cheaper than that. Cincos have gone up to like $8, so Yum Dingers seem to float a little bit better than a Cinco. Great day of fishing. So that catfish was awesome. Boy, he was powerful. So I'm heading back now. It's almost 11 a.m. here, July 2022 in Georgia. It is hot. It is too hot. It's just miserable hot. So but the fish played along. Thanks everybody for watching. Thanks everybody for your support, and I hope you enjoy this as much as I enjoy making it. It was a blast. So much fun out here at P.O. Box Lake, and we will be at you next time. See if we can outdo ourselves today. Today was a great day of fishing. Hey everybody, thanks for joining me, and I will catch you next time here on P.O. Box.